Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and I have nothing against banana bread or a warm banana chocolate chip muffin, but sometimes I do just get sick of that original standby. So if you want to use up some bananas, make these banana Foster crepes. Now the recipe that I'm using today, I'll put down in the description box below. These are two separate recipes that I found that looked pretty good. Now these are Japanese style crepes. Now the ones that I've had before are quite light and crispy, which is exactly what I am looking for. It really is all in the batter, but it is also in the pan that you use too. Now, unlike cake batters, you do want to make sure that this is super thoroughly incorporated and nice and smooth. Now, I have messed up so many crepes over the years, and I think I finally nailed how to properly make crepes, especially on my stove. So firstly, this is a non-stick crepe pan, but I always find I do need to add butter to it. So be sure to add a little bit of butter. I find the easiest way is to use a brush. The key to this is avoid putting too much butter on there. If you coat it too much, then when you put the crepe batter on there and you try and slide it around to make it even, then you get everything sliding everywhere. So just a little bit will go a long way. The other thing is when you're putting the batter on, you want to make sure to put enough, but not too much. If you put too much, it's going to end up like a pancake. Now, my final tip for you, which I discovered after many fails, is to actually turn off the heat every second crepe and then turn it back on. This avoids any burning. I also place it into the oven on a warm setting, but if you don't have that, just a really low temp to keep them nice and warm while you make this portion. So really, I just put everything all together. I don't wait for anything to melt, and then you just bring it to a bubble. It is literally that simple. Now, one thing that you should do that I don't do here is you should probably choose a pan that is a lot larger because you do want to get kind of a crisp caramelization on the bananas, which I don't end up getting because my pan is a little bit too small. You're really just looking for those bananas to be warmed through, which only takes about 1 minute or so. If you're making this for a large group or a brunch, I would just stand by your oven and take one crepe out at a time as you assemble this. And it really doesn't need any syrup whatsoever because you're already putting on that really yummy sauce you created with the butter. And to make it even more decadent, I'm adding on a little bit of whipped cream. Now, I am taking a bit of a shortcut today. If I were to make my own, I would definitely tone down the sweetness because we get plenty of sweet from the banana Foster itself. Time to dig in. And of course, we want to get the perfect bite with a little bit of banana, crepe, that wonderful sauce on top, and then we also want some whipped cream and almond for crunch. A truly decadent treat with that buttered and caramelized banana. These would be perfect for a Sunday brunch or just the ending to a delicious dinner. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!